Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to edit the php.ini file in cPanel. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that explains perfectly how you can do this. Using select PHP version, you can edit the php.ini file using select PHP version option. Log into cPanel, go to Software section and click on Select PHP version. As you can see guys right here in the picture, cPanel, Software and select PHP version. Click on Options right here, My Domains. Locate the PHP directive you wish to amend and click the value. A drop-down menu or text input box will appear, allowing you to change the value as required. Check your script, plugin, or theme's documentation, or a one script error message. To find the correct value, do not exceed this value or your server could become unstable. Your changes will should save automatically and you should see a green success feedback pop up in the top right corner. As you can see guys right here in the example. Using multi php.ini editor, you can edit the php.ini file using select multi php.ini editor. Log into cPanel, go to Software section, and click on multi php.ini editor. As you can see, guys, right here in the picture. So there are two methods for editing the php.ini file. In the basic mode, select your domain name for the dropdown and the configuration options will appear in a table. The PHP directive column has the configuration properties, while the right column has form input fields for entering the property values. The middle column contains a description for each configuration, so it's much intuitive for work with. Fill in the form and click the apply button. Add the button to save the changes once you are done. In the editor mode, select your domain name for the dropdown and make all your preferred configuration changes, then click the save button on the top right once done. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.